The seasoned strategist doesn't just run SEO, they curate a high-stakes, mathematical dialogue. From the outside looking in, you can see them operating with a gut sense that feels less like technical labor and more like architectural intuition. They view the entire project as a volatile vector space where the urge to rely on raw AI script generation is a dangerous trap. They know that fragile code, precise on paper but brittle in the wild, is the inevitable result of neglecting domain strategy. There is a distinct, rhythmic calm to their process. They treat every glitch, every mismatched URL, and every anomalous result not as a failure, but as a critical data point in a converging spiral. You can almost watch their internal calculus shifting. They are constantly refining their semantic traps, tightening boundary conditions until the noise of the web falls away, leaving only the high-precision signal they need. They navigate the AI-first world with an almost predatory awareness of entity compression. They sense when a search engine is about to collapse their carefully built regional presence into a generic, invisible global cluster, and they counter it with surgical precision. They inject just enough local nuance, logistics, tax identifiers, regional anchors, to force the AI to respect their space. They aren't just filling pages with content. They are constructing a unique coordinate in a multidimensional map, ensuring that when the AI searches for the best answer, it finds their local authority not by accident, but by mathematical necessity. To watch them is to realize that the tool is not the AI. The tool is the human strategist who has learned how to rotate the trajectory of machine logic until it aligns perfectly with the reality of the market.